Find or read reviews that people are talking about CIS Sewing Machine. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Great for beginners and easy to use. Compared to traditional sewing machines, our sewing machines are a better choice for learning to sew. Even if you are just a beginner, please read the detailed instruction carefully before using the machine. You will be able to use it easily. Safe for kids. Compared with ordinary sewing machines, it adopts upgraded environmentally friendly materials, making it more durable and high quality. Equipped with low-speed/high-speed button optional, safe and powerful. Double thread and 2-speed control. Stronger double bottom thread, quick thread cutter with one hand, shock absorption and anti-collision. Workmanship is not easy to deform, fine stitches, smooth penetration, good wear resistance. Perfect gift and cute colors. This mini sewing machine is perfect for kids and beginners. The color box packaging is also a great gift for family Christmas, birthday. Start sewing with this sewing kit. Extension table and built-in light. The extension table makes the sewing machine more stable and works better on large projects. The sewing machine is also equipped with a built-in light and a thread cutter, providing sufficient light and direct sewing cuts. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.